Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial on how to use InstaReader new update version 2.0. Using InstaReader, you can convert your photos of books, PDF files, text files, Word files with extensions .docx or .doc and web pages into audiobooks. In this video, we are going to see how to create your own audiobooks using InstaReader app and about the new features available in this update. In this video, I'm going to use InstaReader along with TalkBack. There is also another video without using TalkBack. The link for that video is in the description. As soon as you open the app, it will show you a select app language screen.
Back button. Select app language.
Here, two languages will be available.
English. Tamil.
If you select Tamil, all the screens in the app will change to Tamil. For this demo, I'm choosing English.
English.
So after selecting the app language, it will show you a sign-in screen.
InstaReader. Sign in with Google. Double tap to activate.
So here there is a sign in with Google button. Click on that.
Google Play Services. Showing items 1 to 3 of 3. Choose an account. To continue to InstaReader.
Here you should select your preferred Google account.
InstaReader test. Google Play Services.
So make sure you are connected to the internet while signing in. So now sign in is done. Now we are in the main screen of the app, which is the My Audiobook screen. If you swipe right,
search your audiobooks button.
There is a search button.
Double tap
if
to
you swipe
activate.
right, there will be a welcome message.
Welcome smiley face. Your audiobooks is empty. Click on Create New Audiobook button to start creating your own audiobooks from PDF, docx, text, web page link and photos. These files can also be shared to or opened with InstaReader to convert into audiobooks. Click on the Help button to learn how to use the app, to provide feedback, to contact us or to change app language.
It says to create a new audiobook, click on the Create New Audiobook button. So I'm going to swipe right.
Create New Audiobook.
There is a Create New
Double
Audiobook
tap
button.
to activate.
I'm going to select that.
Dialog.
It has opened a dialog. Here 4 options are available. I'll show you each option. The first option is
Upload PDF, docx, text or photos.
the second option is
Take photo.
So you can use the
Double
second
tap to
option whenever,
activate.
let's say you have a book with you, you want to take photo of that book and convert that into an audiobook, you can use this take photo option. And the third option is,
Read from copied web page link. Double tap to activate.
and the last option is,
Read copied text. Double tap to activate.
these 4 options are available. Let's go through each option one by one. So I'm going to select the first option first.
Upload PDF, docx, text or photos.
And there are 3 ways
Double
of
tap
how
to activate.
you can convert your files into audiobooks. The first one is by uploading the files from within the InstaReader app by selecting this upload button. The other 2 options are sharing the file to InstaReader or opening the file with InstaReader. First, I will show you how to upload the file from within the app. Then I will show you the other 2 options. I'm going to click on this upload button.
Allow InstaReader to access photos and media on your device.
For the first time, it will ask you for this permission. Click on allow.
Allow. Demo. Showing items 1 to 3.
Then it has opened the file manager. From here, you can either search for the file which you want to upload, or you can directly select the file. You can select a PDF, .doc file, .docx file, .txt file, or photos. I'm going to directly select a demo PDF I have. I'm going to swipe right.
Show. More option. Files on. List view. Demo PDF.pdf. 158.
So this is the demo PDF which I want to upload. As soon as I select this file, the file will automatically get uploaded and the audiobook will start creating. So I'm going to select that.
InstaReader. Processing page 3. 5 more pages remaining.
It will start processing the pages and it will say what is the current page it is processing and how many pages are remaining.
Processing page 6. 2 more pages remaining.
If you swipe left or right on the screen,
Processing
you
page
can also
6.
get this
2
information.
more pages remaining. Processing page 8. 0 more pages remaining.
So make sure you are connected to the internet while you are uploading a PDF file or photos. For docs and text file, internet connection is not required. If you have used InstaReader before, you should have noticed that it is not asking for language. From this update onwards, InstaReader will automatically deduct the language of the uploaded file and it supports around 50 plus languages. List of the languages supported is mentioned in this video's description box. Now the audiobook is created. We are in the listening audiobook screen. For the first time, it will show you a tip.
To save audiobook, click on Save icon. To change voice, page, adjust audio speed, pitch or font size, click on Settings icon. InstaReader.
So this is the tip. Click on OK here.
Tip. OK. Button.
Now let's see what are the options available in this listening audiobook screen. I'm going to swipe right.
Back. Button. This is page 1. Total pages 8.
It says currently we are in the page 1 of the audiobook and the total pages in this audiobook is 8. If you swipe right from there,
Save button.
that is the save
Double
button.
tap to activate.
And if you swipe right,
Settings button. Double tap to activate.
there is a settings button. We can explore both these options later. Before that, I will show you the other audio controls available in this screen. I'm going to swipe right.
Play button. Double tap to activate.
So there is a play button. If you click on that, the audiobook will start playing.
Introduction by the editor. Not the least historic of the ancient nations of the East is India, even when compared with Egypt and its...
Next page button.
So one important
Double tap to
instruction here.
activate.
Currently in InstaReader, 2 TTS engines are supported. One is a Google TTS engine. The other is a eSpeak TTS engine. By default, Google TTS will be selected in the app. If you want, you can change to eSpeak TTS. I will show you how to do that later. So whenever you use the same TTS engine for both InstaReader app and for TalkBack. For example, let's say you are using Google TTS for your TalkBack and you have set same Google TTS in InstaReader app also. So while the audiobook is playing, if you initiate TalkBack by swiping left or right on the screen, the audiobook will stop playing automatically because both uses the same TTS engine. If in case, let's say your TalkBack TTS is different from the InstaReader TTS. For example, let's say your TalkBack uses Google TTS and you have set eSpeak TTS in InstaReader app. In that case, whenever you swipe left or right while the audiobook is playing, the audiobook will not stop playing automatically. In that case, to pause the audiobook, you need to click on the pause button. The same play button while the audiobook is playing will convert into pause button. You can click on the pause button to stop listening to the audiobook. Now when you swipe right from the play button,
Next page button.
there is a next
Double
page
tap
button.
to activate.
If you click on that,
Introduction. Complete picture of the
it
development
has
of the
loaded the
country
next
whose
page and it is
units are
playing the
now
next
under the
page.
scepter of Great
If you
Britain.
swipe right from
In
the
carrying
next
out this
page
design,
button,
the publishers
Previous page button.
there is a previous
Double
page
tap
button.
to activate.
I'm going to select that.
Introduction by the editor. Not the least
It has
historic
loaded
of
the
the
previous
ancient nations
page.
of the East is India,
If you
even
swipe
when
right from the
compared with
previous
Egypt
page
and its
button,
monuments.
14% forward or rewind audio slider. Use volume keys to adjust.
there is a forward or rewind audio slider. Using this, you can forward or rewind your audio by using the volume button. If you click on the volume up button, it will forward the audio. So I'm going to click on the
19%
volume up button.
Forward or rewind audio slider.
I'm clicking on the volume up
29%
button.
Forward or rewind audio slider.
So I have set to 20%.
34% forward or rewind audio slider.
So now it is set to 34%. Now I'm going to click on the play button.
Previous page. Next page. Play button.
I'm going to select
Double.
this.
1,000 years, and from that remote age its history is recorded in an almost unbroken line to this very century.
It
Next
is
page,
playing
button.
from the forwarded
Double tap to
position.
activate.
Similarly, you can rewind the audio.
Previous 45% forward or rewind audio slider. 14% forward or rewind audio slider.
I have rewinded the audio and set it to 14%. Now I'm going to click on the play button.
Previous page. Next page. Play.
Its annals, or Assyria and Babylonia with their cuneiform tablets and their cylinders.
Next
Now
page,
it is reading
button.
from the rewinded
tap to
position.
activate.
These are the audio controls that are available. Now let's see about the save and settings icon. First, let's explore the options available under settings icon.
Back. But this is page 1. Save. But settings button.
So I'm going to click
Double
on the
tap to
settings
activate.
icon.
Dialog.
There are 5 options available under settings button. First, let's see what are the options available.
Go to page. Change audio voice or TTS engine. Adjust audio speed. Adjust audio pitch. Adjust font size.
These 5 options
Double
are
tap to
available.
activate.
First, let's see the option go to page.
Adjust. Change. Go to page. Double tap to activate.
For example, let's say your audiobook has 100 pages and you want to read the 30th page. In that case, you need not click the next page button multiple times. Instead, you can click on this go to page button.
Enter page number.
It will ask you to enter the page number. Here you can enter the page number which you want to read. My audiobook has 8 pages, so I'm going to enter page number as 6.
6.
And then I'm going to click on OK.
Okay. Button. Keyboard hidden.
Page 6. Introduction.
Now it has
Complete
loaded the
picture of
page 6
development
and
of
it is
country
playing
whose
the page 6
millions
for
are
us. The next option is change audio voice or TTS engine.
Go to page. InstaReader. Change audio voice or TTS
I'm
engine.
going to select that. Then it will open the Google TTS Voices screen.
Back. But Google TTS voices.
Here, all the voices available for the uploaded files language under the selected TTS will be listed out here. In this case, by default, as soon as you install the app, Google TTS Engine will be set in InstaReader and the language of the uploaded file is English. So, all the languages available under Google TTS for English language will be listed out here. If you want, you can change the TTS engine. Currently, InstaReader supports two TTS engine. One is Google TTS and eSpeak TTS. Now, let's see how we can change the TTS engine and also how we can change the audio voice. So I'm going to swipe right.
Change text to speech engine. Double tap to activate.
So I'm going to select this change text to speech engine.
Dial. Select TTS engine.
So in this select TTS engine dialog, two TTS engine will be displayed. One is Google TTS and the other one is eSpeak TTS.
Currently enabled TTS engine Google TTS.
It says Google TTS is currently enabled. I'm going to swipe right.
eSpeak TTS.
So eSpeak TTS is available. You can click on this if you want to change the TTS engine to eSpeak TTS. So I'm going to close this dialog.
Close.
Let's see how we can change the audio voice. I'm going to swipe right.
Google TTS voices. Change text to speech engine.
If you swipe right from change text to speech engine, all the voices available for the uploaded files language under the selected TTS will be listed out. So I'm going to swipe right.
English United Kingdom voice 1 in list 59 items.
So the uploaded files language is English. So all the voices available for English is displayed here. So I'm going to swipe right.
English United Kingdom voice 2. English United States voice 3. English Australia voice 4.
So like this many voices will be listed out.
English United States voice 8. Double tap to activate.
If you click on the voice, the audiobook will start playing in that voice. So I'm going to select this voice.
Whose work is represented by these volumes. Special care has been taken to...
Once you have selected the voice, you can exit from this screen. From this point onwards, the audiobook will start playing in the selected voice itself. So I'm going to exit from here. The next option available under settings icon is
adjust audio speed. Double tap to activate.
So I'm going to select this adjust audio speed.
Dialog.
Using this option, you can make the audio speed faster or slower. I'm going to swipe right.
Adjust audio speed. 33%. Increase or reduce audio speed slider.
So there is this increase or reduce audio speed slider. If you click on the volume up button, it will increase the audio speed. So I'm going to click on the volume up button.
38%. Increase or reduce audio speed slider. 83%. Increase or reduce audio speed slider.
So now
98%. Increase or reduce audio speed
now
slider.
I have set to 98%. Similarly, if you click on the volume down button, it will decrease the audio speed.
93%. Increase or reduce audio speed slider.
So now it is decreasing the audio speed.
Increase or reduce audio speed
Once
slider.
you have set the audio speed, you can close this dialog and then click on the play button.
This is paid back. This set play button. As needed to meet the requirements of the scholarship in each field. Ancient India and its
The audiobook will start playing in the selected speed.
Tap to activate.
The next option available under settings is
adjust audio pitch.
adjust audio pitch.
Double tap to activate.
It is also very similar how you adjusted the audio speed. Similarly, you can adjust the audio pitch. I'm going to select this option.
Adjust audio 33%. Increase or reduce audio pitch slider.
So there is this
Use
increase
volume
or
keys to adjust.
reduce audio pitch slider. I'm going to click on the volume up button.
38%. Increase or reduce audio pitch slider. 98%. Increase or reduce audio
If you
pitch
click on the
slider.
volume up button, it will increase the audio pitch. If you click on the volume down button, it will decrease the audio
93%.
pitch.
Increase or reduce audio pitch slider. 63%. Increase or reduce audio pitch slider.
Once you have set the audio pitch, click on the close button. Then
This is paid
to
back.
listen to
This
the
is
audio,
save settings.
click on the play button.
And History of Our Earliest Kinsmen of Aryan Blood. The second volume.
The audiobook will start playing
button.
with the selected
Double
pitch.
tap to activate.
The next option is
Adjust font size. Double tap to activate.
the text of the audiobook will also be displayed on the screen. If you want to increase or decrease the font size of the text, you can use this option. I'm going to select that.
Dialogue.
It will open adjust font size dialog.
Adjust font size. 17%. Increase or reduce font size slider.
So here there is an option to
volume keys to
increase
adjust.
or reduce font size. Here if you click on the volume up button,
22%.
it will increase the font
or
size.
reduce font size slider.
If you click on the volume down
62%.
button, it
Increase
will
or
decrease the
reduce
font size.
slider. Close.
Once you
Double
have
tap to activate.
selected the font size, you can click on the close button. So these are the options available under settings button. Next, let's see how we can save the audiobook. I'm going to swipe right.
This is page 6. Save button.
So there is a
Double
save
tap to
button.
activate.
I'm going to choose that.
English UK QWERTY keyboard shown. Editing. Demo PDF. Enter audiobook name. Edit box.
So it will show the keyboard and it will also open a edit box. In that edit box, already the name of the uploaded file will be displayed. If you want, you can change that name. For example, the name of the uploaded file here is demo PDF. So demo PDF is already displayed here. If you want, you can change it and then click on save.
Button. Double tap to activate. Keyboard hidden. My audiobooks.
Now the audiobook got saved and we are in the My Audiobook screen. Here all the saved audiobooks will be listed out. I'm going to swipe right.
Search your audiobooks button.
There is a
Double tap
search
to
your audiobooks
activate.
button. If you have more audiobooks saved, then you can use this search option to search for a particular audiobook. I'm going to select that.
English editing. Search your audiobooks. Edit box.
Here it will open a edit box. Here you can enter the name of the audiobook which you want to search. I have two audiobooks with me. One is a demo audiobook, the other one is a history audiobook. I'm going to search for history.
H. I. Clear search. History. Custom action. Swipe up or down to
You
select.
can enter part
Double
of
tap
the
to
name.
read
All the
audiobook.
audiobooks with the matching name will be listed out. As you can listen, history audiobook is listed out here. You can select that and start listening to the audiobook. So this is how you can search for an audiobook. I'm going to exit from here.
Clear. Exit. Keyboard hidden.
If you want to see all the audiobooks available, all the saved audiobooks available, you have to swipe right.
Search your audiobooks. Create new audiobook.
So after
Double tap to activate.
create new audiobook, there will be help button.
Help.
If you swipe
Double
right
tap
from
to
here,
activate.
all the audiobooks
Demo.
will be.
Custom action. Swipe up or down to select.
So
Double
if you
tap to
swipe
read
right
audiobook.
from help button, all the saved audiobooks will be listed out. And also there will be a delete button to delete. If you want to delete an audiobook, there will be also a delete button for each audiobook.
Delete demo audiobook button. History. Custom action. Swipe up or down to select. Double tap to read audiobook. Delete history audiobook button.
So these two
Custom
audiobooks
action.
are
Swipe
available.
up or down to select.
If you
Double
want
tap
to-
to delete audiobook.
If you want to delete a particular audiobook, you can click on the delete particular audiobook button. This is
Delete history
history
audiobook button.
So I'm going to select this button. It will show you a
Do
confirmation
you want to
dialog.
delete history?
Here if you click on yes,
Confirm. Yes.
the audiobook
button.
will be deleted. If you
Double
don't want,
tap
you can
to
click on
activate.
no.
No button.
So I'm going to
Double
click on
tap.
yes.
Yes. My audiobooks. My Instareader. Delete demo.
So only
Custom
demo
action.
audiobook is
Swipe up or
available.
down to select.
History audiobook
Double
got
tap to
deleted.
read audiobook.
Now we saw how to upload a PDF file. Similarly, you can also upload a text file, .docx file or photos and convert that into an audiobook. Now let's see the other two options of uploading files. Sharing a file to InstaReader or opening a file with InstaReader app. So I'm going to exit from here and open the file manager. Now I am in the file manager. Here I have opened a demo folder. If I click on a particular file name, for example,
Navigate. Lit. More of. Go to. Demo. Documents demo PDF.pdf.
That
In
is a
list. 3
PDF.
items. .txt.
so there is this text file. If I double tap on that, it will show you a open with dialog.
Open with. Not in list.
In this open with dialog, you have to choose InstaReader.
Instareader. Row 0. Column
Many
1.
apps will be
In
listed
grid,
out.
1 row.
From
4
those apps,
columns.
you have to choose InstaReader.
Double
If you
tap to
select the
activate.
app name,
Double.
and for the first time it will ask just once or always, you can click on any option. I'm going to click always.
Always. Button. Not in grid. Just once. Always.
It has uploaded the text file and it is reading out for us.
Port. Play. Button. Double tap
So
to
this is how
activate.
you can open a file with InstaReader app. Next I will show you how to share a file to InstaReader. Now I have a PDF file available in a PDF viewer, or if you have some files in WhatsApp. Now let's see how to share that file to InstaReader. Here there will be a send file option.
Navigate. Find. More option. Send file. In list.
So if
6
I
items.
click on that, it will open a dialog. From here you have to choose InstaReader.
Demo. New. Link sharing. Instareader.
If you click on
Double.
InstaReader, it will directly take you to the processing page
5 more pages remaining.
and it will create the audiobook for you. So since we have already seen this, I'm exiting from here. So this is how you can open a file with InstaReader or share a file to InstaReader app. Now let's explore the other options available under create new audiobook.
My search your create. Upload PDF. Take photo.
The next option
Double
available
tap
is
to activate.
take photo. So let's say you have a book with you and you want to convert that into an audiobook. If you click on this take photo, it will open a camera. You can take photo of the pages of the book and upload that in the app. I'm going to select this take photo option. For the first time, it will ask you for permission.
Allow Instareader to take pictures and record video.
Click on allow.
Allow button. Allow Instareader to record audio. Allow.
So now it has opened the camera.
Back. But take photo. Take photo button.
So there is this take
Custom
photo
action.
button.
Swipe up or down to select.
Make sure
Double tap to
it's
take
not
photo.
too dark before taking photo, and also keep the pages as flat as possible and take the photo by clicking on this take photo button.
Double tap to activate.
And the photo got uploaded, and now we are in the add photo screen.
Add photos.
If you swipe right,
Delete image button.
there is a delete
Double tap to
image
activate.
button. If you don't want this photo, if you have uploaded by some mistake, you can delete this photo by clicking on this delete icon. It will show you a
Do you want to
confirmation
delete
dialog.
this photo?
Here you can click
Confirm
on yes
yes
to delete
button.
the photo. Otherwise, you can click on no.
But
If you swipe right from the delete icon,
uploaded image
the
is shown
uploaded
here.
image will be displayed. If you swipe right from there,
Add next page.
there will be an add next
Double
page
tap to
button.
activate.
You can click on that. If you want to add the next page, you can click on this button. It will show you two options, whether to take photo or to upload an image.
Take photo. Double tap to activate.
So if you want to take photo of that book, of the next page of the book, you can use this take photo button. Or else if you have any other photo to upload in your mobile phone, you can click on the upload images
Upload
button.
images.
I want to take
Double-
photos,
take
so I'm going to
photo.
clicking on this take
Double
photo
tap.
button. So again, it has opened the camera,
Back. Take photo. Take photo button.
and I'm going
Custom
to
action.
take
Swipe
photo
up
of
or down
the
to select.
next page of the
Double
book.
tap to take photo.
I'm going to select this button. So the next photo is also uploaded.
Back. Add photo. Delete image. Uploaded image. Add next page.
So like this, you
Double tap
can
to
add
activate.
as many pages as you want. Once you added the pages and you are ready to listen the audiobook, if you swipe right from the add next page button,
Read audiobook.
there is a read
Double
audiobook
tap
button.
to activate.
You can click on that to start converting these photos into audiobook. I'm going to select this button.
Processing page 2. 0 more pages
So it will
remaining.
start processing the pages and the audiobook will start creating. Since we have already seen this, I'm exiting from here.
Back. X. Text or photo. Take photo. Double tap to activate.
Now we saw about the take photo option. The next option available under create new audiobooks is
Read from copied web page link.
if you want to
Double tap
convert
to activate.
if you want to convert a web page into an audiobook, you can copy the link of that web page from the browser. For example, from Google Chrome, you can copy the link of that web page and you can open the InstaReader app and click on this button, read from copied web page link. It will automatically detect the copied web page link and it will extract the text from that web page and create the audiobook for you. So I've already copied a web page link and I'm going to click on this button.
Detected web page link https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/audiobook. This is page 1. Total pages 13.
So it has detected the link and it has also created the audiobook.
Back. Say. Set it. Play.
Audiobook. An audiobook or a talk
So it
book.
is reading out the contents of the web page. So this is how you can convert a web page into an audiobook. I'm going to exit from here.
Back. Double tap to activate.
So now we saw how to convert a web page into an audiobook. Instead of copying and then clicking this read from copied web page link, you can also directly share the web page link from the browser to the InstaReader app. It is very similar how you shared a file. Similarly, you have to share the web page link to the InstaReader app. The last option available is
Read copied text.
read copied text.
Double tap to activate.
This is also very similar. If you have a text which you want to listen, you can just copy that text and you can click on this read copied text button. It will automatically detect the copied text and it will create the audiobook for you. Now, these are the 4 options available for creating your audiobook. I'm going to exit from here and let's explore the options available under help button.
Close. My audiobooks. Search your create new help.
If you swipe right from the
Double tap
create
to
new audiobook
activate.
button, there will be a help button. Select that. So 5 options are available under this help button. First, I will show you the options.
How to use app. Contact us. Provide feedback. Share InstaReader download link. Change app language. Double tap to activate.
So these 5 options are available. The first option is how to use app.
How to use app. Double
If-
tap to activate.
I'm going to select that. Then it will ask you to select the tutorial language. Currently, tutorial videos are available in English and Tamil. If you click on English tutorial video will be opened in YouTube. And if you click Tamil tutorial video will open in YouTube. So I'm going to swipe right.
Back. But select tutorial language. English. Tamil.
So you
Double
can
tap to activate.
select your preferred language and watch the tutorial video. So the next option is contact us.
Contact us.
I'm going to select that. There are 4 ways of contacting us. The first is via WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
If you
Double tap to activate.
if you want to contact us via WhatsApp, you can use this option. The next option is
Telegram user channel. Double tap to activate.
So there is a Telegram user channel. If you click on that, it will directly take you to that channel. You can join the channel. There we post all the important information about InstaReader. The next option is,
YouTube. Double tap to activate.
if you click on this YouTube button, it will directly take you to this YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel. Here we post all the tutorial videos about InstaReader. The next option is,
Email us. Double tap to activate.
if you want to contact us via email, you can click on this email us button. So I'm going to close this dialog.
Close. Tap to activate.
The next option is provide feedback.
Provide feedback.
I'm going to select that. After using the app, please take few minutes and provide your feedback. If you think any of the existing features is not working properly, or if you have any requests for new features, you can mention them in your feedback. We will take your feedback and definitely improve InstaReader in upcoming updates. So I'm going to show you how to provide your feedback. Now we are in the provide feedback screen. I'm going to swipe right.
Back. Button. Provide feedback. Submit. Button.
So after
Double
providing
tap
the
to
feedback,
activate.
you have to click on the submit button. First, let's see how we can provide the feedback. If you swipe right, there will be a message.
Tell us how we can improve the app. If you have any requests for new features or if you feel any of the existing features is not working properly, please share it with us.
So if you swipe right,
Enter your feedback. Edit box. Double tap to enter
so
text.
there is this enter your feedback edit box. I'm going to select that.
English UK QWERTY keyboard shown.
It will open the keyboard. You can
D,
type your
E.
feedback.
O.
After entering your feedback, click on the submit button.
Tell us submit button. Keyboard hidden.
Make sure you are connected to the internet while
English
submitting your
keyboard hidden.
feedback. The feedback will be submitted to us. The next option is share InstaReader download link.
Share InstaReader download link.
If you
Double
think
tap to activate.
InstaReader will be useful to your friends, please do share the app with them. You can click on the share InstaReader download link button. It will open a share dialog. Here multiple apps like Gmail, WhatsApp will be listed out. You can choose an app and you can share this message. In the message, there will be a short description about InstaReader app, and the InstaReader app download link will also be mentioned in the message. The next option is change app language.
Help. Change app language. Double.
If you select that, it will open the select app language screen.
Select app language.
Here two languages will be available.
English. Tamil.
Currently we have
Double
set the
tap to
app language
activate.
to English, and now I'm going to choose Tamil. If you choose Tamil, all the text in the app will change to Tamil. I have selected Tamil and we are now in the main screen.
எனது ஒலிபுத்தகங்களை தேடு.
Now the text in the app has changed
Double
to
tap
Tamil.
to activate.
So now we saw all the options available in InstaReader app. If you have any additional questions or doubts, please leave a comment below. We will answer those questions. Thank you.